Hey friends, if you encounter command prompt error 740, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So this error 740 means that this certain command had to be run as an administrator and you're not running it as an administrator. So a lot of users mention that they encounter it while trying to connect to the printer or running commands related to printers or scanners. It's not about the printer or scanner. The printer or the scanner is not the issue. The issue is that the command prompt should be elevated, period. So how do you use the elevated command prompt window? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane and click on yes. So when it mentions administrator at the top before command prompt, then it means that the command prompt is elevated. And if you simply open command prompt, I'll show you how that's done. Like you simply click on it. It doesn't mention administrator behind command prompt. This is wrong. This is not supposed to be done. Don't do this. So it should mention administrator before it. So again, showing you search for command prompt and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.